This place will make a big difference because where I lived before, with the stairs, I got arthritis in my ankle. My wife got arthritis in her one knee. So living in a bungalow would make it a lot easier for us. We got fire escape type stairs where we live. So it's, you're up one stairs, walk out, back down another stairs. With her knee and my ankle, it's like, do it 3 times and you don't want to do it again. You don't want to go out. So living here is going to make a big difference to our way of living as well.
It's made a huge difference to our health, well-being, everything about our lifestyle and every day now has completely changed. And that's just the very basics. It's just this area as well. We've got loads to explore here. There's loads of places we can go, to the parks, the beach. Really feels like we've won some kind of housing lottery.
So getting a building like this from Wales and West, it frees up 50 spaces in temporary accommodation, supported accommodation. It means now that we have 50 residents who have moved out of supported accommodation and temporary accommodation. They now have their own front door, their own stability to help reduce that homelessness crisis back in the city in our other projects.